In this demonstration, we're going to look at creating software update groups and also as well deployment packages. I'm in my System Center Configuration Manager admin console. I've come to my software library, I've come to all software updates, and what I've found here is I've found cumulative update for Windows 10 version 5.11 and that knowledge base 31.24.262. And as we can see, it is actually required for one of my devices. So what we're going to do at this point here is we're just going to create a software update group. So I've highlighted the cumulative update. I'll click on Create Software Update Group. Now what we need to do is we need to give it a name. So I'm going to call this Critical Updates -Windows 10. My description will be Critical Updates for Windows 10, and then we'll select our Create button. Now we've done that, we'll just come to our Software Update Groups. Should return back the list, and it returns back the list I've just created. And then what we'll do is we'll just highlight my group, right click, and all we'll do here is we'll show the members. And when we show the members, what it shows is it shows the cumulative update I've just added. We'll come back to our software update groups. And then all we'll do here is we'll run our summarization. Just tells us here the summarization status has been scheduled, so we'll run that now. Now what we can see down at the bottom here, based off that Windows update, based off the devices I've got, so I've got 2 unknown because they're switched off, so I haven't done a scan, and we've got 1 device as actually showing here as non-compliant. So the next thing we'll do here is we'll just highlight that critical update, we'll just right click and we'll select download. And we're doing this in order to create a deployment package. So the next thing to do is to actually fill out this wizard. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to give this thing a name. And I'm going to call this Critical Updates -Windows 10, and the package source will be // lon-cfg $, source, and then update, and then we'll select next. We just need to add a distribution point, so we'll select add. We'll go for distribution point, and then what we'll do is when it pops up, we'll add in our lon-cfg box. So at this point here, we'll just select our lon-cfg.adatem.com. We'll select OK, and then we'll select next. Don't need to change anything on the distribution settings. I'm happy with the priority. I'm not going to distribute the content of this package to preferred distribution points. I've only got 1, and I will just leave the option to manually copy the content in this package to the distribution point, so potentially we could pre-stage. So at this point here, we'll just select next. Then what I need to do is I just need to specify my download location. And I've specified my // lon-cfg $e software updates folder. We'll select next. Language selection, just ensure that English is selected. So, and at this point it is, so we'll select next. Just on my summary page, select next. This will take just a little while to process, so we'll just pause the demonstration and return back once the processing is complete. So as we can see now, everything's ready to complete. So at this point here, we'll just select our close button. Next thing to do now, go to our deployment packages, and within our deployment packages we can see our critical updates. And just to finish off, big green blob, so at this point here, distribution point status is successful. And that's the end of this demonstration of creating a software update group and then also creating a deployment package from that group. Thank you.